Hello students, today we are going to solve question number 4 O-level mathematics, and the topic is vector. Vector A is given in column form -2 4, vector B is given in column form -3 2, and vector C is equal to U10. Express 2A plus B as a column vector. Yes, so let us start solving this one. A part 2A plus B equal to 2 value of vector A plus this B, that is this vector, -3 2 -4 8 -3 2 -4 -3 -7 8 plus 2 10. Yes, this is now in column form. Now the B part says, given that the vector C is parallel to the vector A, calculate the value of U. Vector C is parallel to vector A. When a vector is parallel to another vector, this becomes the vector C is equal to T times vector A, some scalar multiplied by some scalar. This is the method, the formula we use to indicate two parallel vectors mathematically or algebraically. So vector C U10 is equal to T times vector A, that is -3 2. Yes, here we see that these x components are equal. We solve this equation. U is equal to -3t, and this is equation number 1, and 10 is equal to 2t. Here from this equation we can find the value of t as 10. This 2 goes to the denominator, 2 5s 10. So the value of t here is 2. Now we put this in equation 1. Yes, we are going to put this in equation 1, in this equation. Yes, in this equation, this U is equal to just to highlight this, U is equal to -3t. So U is equal to -3t. So here U is equal to -3 into t. The value of t is 2. So U is equal to 3 2s are 6 -6. So the value of U is -6. So the part 1, 2A plus B in vector form is this one, and part B part, a vector C was parallel to the vector A. This C was parallel to the vector A, and we have found the value of u by this method, algebraic method, that is u is equal to minus 6. In the next video we will further solve some advanced questions on the topic of vector. Thank you.